In our journey through wellness, we've explored the individual paths to health and vitality. But what happens when we come together? Together We Thrive celebrates the collective power of community wellness initiatives. This episode shines a light on the transformative impact of group efforts, community gardens that reconnect us with the earth, neighborhood fitness challenges that foster camaraderie, and local wellness workshops that spread knowledge and support. We'll dive into stories of communities that have come together to create environments that uplift and nurture everyone involved. Learn how these projects not only improve physical and mental health, but also strengthen bonds and build resilient networks of support. Hear from the visionaries behind these initiatives, the participants who've seen their lives change, and the ripple effects these projects have had on their wider communities. It's a testament to the idea that when we join forces, we can achieve incredible things. So, are you inspired to bring wellness into your community? To turn shared spaces into havens of health and happiness? Join us as we celebrate the power of collective action in wellness, because together, we don't just survive, we thrive.